Hey, welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, Jason Tortine. I know I'm behind the times on this one. These were released a while ago. They're pretty new. I mean, they say they're new. I just found them, but they're a couple months out. I don't know. But anyways, and they even just came out with like pizza rolls that are from White Castle. They're like it's a pizza roll, but I don't know. I couldn't find them. But those just came out. That's kind of cool thing about White Castle. They produce things for the grocery store that's not in the fast food restaurants. That's kind of neat. Sometimes I don't think they sell these at the White Castle restaurant. These are spicy chicken rings. They are famous for their chicken rings, but these are I don't know if they've ever sold them. Maybe they've sold them. I don't know. But spicy chicken rings, I'm kind of excited. I mean, you got a conventional oven, microwave oven. Doesn't say anything about air fryers. Nope. Doesn't really say anything about it. Find the heat you're craving with a spicy pepper breading. All right. I'm excited now. Here we go. We baked them in the oven at 425 for I don't know how long until they were done. Here we go. I'm excited because I want to know if they're so hot that my wife won't be able to eat them and then I'm screwed. But I'm hoping that whatever. Holy, are you kidding me? I didn't expect that. Shit. I thought it was going to be mild. Wow. Did not expect that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Holy. Well, I was going to make these for dinner tonight. No way. No way. That's so hot. God, what a shit. I don't know. How much did I spend on these? Whoa. I thought there was going to be a mild spice. That is insane. What? I'm not even going to want to eat these. I'll try. Jesus, these are insanely hot. I'm not kidding. It's like the chicken chip challenge. Well, they're delicious. But oh my goodness. I need a glass of milk just for those two rings. Not going to be able to feed them to my wife for dinner. I'm not going to be able to eat them for dinner. They're so damn hot. I'm so bummed because I do not like to waste food. And I know these were a lot of money, I think. I can't remember. Oh my goodness. Woo! Well, I think if you're a chili head, you're going to be surprised by this. I ate one ring and it blew my head off first. I mean, it's serious. I don't want to rate them bad because it tastes really good for a second, and then it burned the hell out of your face. I'll say, and I like White Castle, and I like that they make things that are different than actually at the restaurant at the grocery store. This is really hot, but I'm gonna rate it well because it tastes amazing, but it blew my face off. 8.4 for the White Castle new spicy chicken rings. Holy shit, man. Like, I gotta get a drink real quick. Love you guys. Love you, babe.